Scurvy, also called vitamin C deficiency, is probably the oldest non-nutritional disorders of humankind, caused by lack of vitamin C. Vitamin C is important in the formation of collagen, which helps recover body tissues. And any deficiency of this vitamin interferes with normal tissue synthesis, a problem that underlies the clinical manifestations of the disorder. As well, it weakens the body immune system, which is the human's defense against germs and a wide variety of different microbes.
What is a nutrient? A nutrient is a molecule found in the food that all animals need to make energy, grow, develop, and reproduce. The body breaks this down into macro and micronutrients, which are the chemical compounds that nourish our body and help it in its proper function. There are two main types of nutrients: macronutrients and micronutrients. The three main categories of macronutrients include carbohydrates, protein, and fat. The two types of macronutrients are vitamins and minerals.
Where do, where do nutrients come from? Nutrients come from many different food sources. This includes fruits, vegetables, animal meat, and the sun. Even though there are many food sources where to get this from, most people have at least one vitamin deficiency due to a lack of intake of these proper foods.
Vitamin C. Vitamin C is a water soluble vitamin that is naturally presented in some foods. Vitamin C is needed for biosynthesis of collagen. Vitamin C is also involved in a protein of metabolism. Like most of parts of our body, collagen is very important because it's an essential component for the connection of tissues. This plays a vital role of connecting and healing. Vitamin C equally is important because it's a physiological antioxidant and has been shown to regenerate other antioxidants in our body, including alpha tocopherol, in small words, vitamin E.
How can vitamin C cure cancer? This is a study made by the National Cancer Institute that basically tells us that a high dose of vitamin C can establish your body when you have an advanced cancer. In a small study of 14 patients with advanced pancreatic cancer, IV vitamin C was given along with chemotherapy and targeted therapy. 5 patients did not complete the treatment because the tumor continued to grow during treatment. The 9 patients who completed the treatment had stable disease as shown by imaging studies. Patients had very few side effects from the vitamin C treatment. In another small study of 9 patients with advanced pancreatic cancer, patients were given chemotherapy once a week for 3 weeks along with IV vitamin C twice a week for 4 weeks during each treatment cycle. The disease did not progress over an average of 6 months in these patients. No serious side effects were reported with the combined treatment. What do nutrients do? What do nutrients do? Carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are the body's main source of energy, which helps us to function properly and allows the mitochondria in our cells to create energy. Proteins. Proteins are any type of molecule that has any class of nitrogenous organic compounds. When proteins enter the body breaks it down into amino acids, which are the building blocks for muscle cells and which regulate cell shape and inner function.
Fats. Fats are naturally oily substance that is present in all animals, and this substance main function is to help us with energy storage or to insulate body parts such as the vital organs, etc. As well, these fats play other important bodily functions such as stockpiling certain nutrients such as A, D, K, and E. And it's important to note that they help carry out important chemical reactions. What is a balanced diet? A balanced diet is the one that gives your body to function correctly. Basically, your organism makes a list of nutrients that your body needs. For having a proper nutrition, you should consume this type of nutrients that are in different types of food, such as fresh fruits, fresh vegetables, whole grains, legumes, nuts, and lean proteins.
Important foods for every kind of balanced diet. Eating fruits and vegetables are the vital source of the vitamins and the minerals we need to live and should make us a third of the food we eat each day. It is advised that we eat at least 5 portions of fruits and vegetables, which would help us have a better healthy habit. Also, I know eating 5 portions a day, even though the most of us eat only three, but the thing is that it's very easy to do. Just one apple, banana, or a similar size is 1 portion. I want to make clear that a banana and an apple is not going to replace your three simple portions. There are some things you should add up to your three principal proportions. In our daily morning, we wake up and eat our daily cereal with our daily orange juice. But it is essential to add a portion of fruit before it is so your body can have necessary vitamins. The time lapse between the breakfast and the lunch should be a maximum of 6 hours. Between these, you should eat a portion of fruit with water so your body is energized. The lunch is the biggest portion because it should have vegetables, proteins, and whole grains. These three of them are the principal things we should have in our daily lunch.
Eh,
How has science affected this issue? Since the beginning of mankind, scurvy has been a really serious issue. In regions where people only ate meat, or sailors who didn't have fresh fruits and vegetables with them, which provided a lack of vitamin C.
as the time has passed, we have been able to improve food quality because of the new screening method we have acquired through years, which let us look for harmful organisms or substances to need to follow to help us maintain a healthy lifestyle with good decisions. Also, it's important to know that we actually know the cause of scurvy, which we can reverse with supplements or certain foods, or that medications can help reverse its effects. The healthy diet debate has been an ongoing debate for many years.